Before beginning a commercial electrical installation project, it's important to understand how the facility's electricity is used. A business may use more power during certain hours of the day, but it needs the maximum amount during normal business hours. By improving the distribution of power, a company can save money and ensure consistent power output during peak periods. If you don't know where to start, consider hiring a commercial electrical contractor. Here's what to expect from a commercial electrical installation. When it comes to commercial electrical installation, there are several factors that affect construction time. These factors include wiring, raceways, and conductors. There are ways to optimize these factors to speed up the construction process and save money for electrical contractors. To do this, start by contacting several different companies and interviewing each one. Try hiring each one for a small electrical repair or upgrade to see how they do their work. Then, choose the best one for your needs. When it comes to commercial electrical installation, safety is an absolute necessity. A properly installed commercial electrical installation will avoid fire hazards, which are a danger in buildings that are prone to electrical problems. If you're worried about safety, don't worry, these companies are fully insured and have an excellent record of customer satisfaction. After all, you won't want to have a problem with your electricity. The right electrical contractor will help you determine your safety measures. A licensed commercial electrical installation expert will be able to handle all aspects of your electrical installation project, from the initial design to the final inspection. An electrician with this kind of experience will be able to make sure everything is running safely. In addition, they'll be able to handle the most challenging situations. From minor repairs to major remodels, we're ready to take your project to the next level. When you're ready to hire an electrician, look no further than Calic Electrical and Data. Before you sign a contract, ask the electrician to provide you with a plan. The plan should include all the components and their placement. The electrical inspector should be able to read the plans and make any changes. If you're not comfortable with a particular component, you can always request a supplemental plan. The electrical inspector will inspect the final approved plan to ensure the safety of the business. A supplemental plan is not necessary for a small project, such as moving a branch circuit. It's important to know the type of project you're working on. Industrial electrical projects are usually not occupied and often are unoccupied. Residential and commercial electrical projects are more complex and involve more planning and customer interaction. If you're doing a new commercial electrical installation, you'll need to get the license for a new building. It's a requirement of many state regulations, so it's important to hire a professional that is experienced in this area. A commercial electrician should be familiar with the building's electrical code and can comply with it. The electrician should be able to work with any local laws and regulations, as well as any special requirements you might have. A good electrician should be able to meet all of these requirements and more. In addition, the electrician should be able to meet all of the necessary building codes. So, it's important to hire a licensed commercial electrical installer. A professional commercial electrical installation requires a thorough survey of the building and can be customized to meet your needs. It's important to consult with a professional before deciding on an electrical service because this is where the system is installed. A good electrician should be familiar with the building's architecture and can list all of the equipment and wiring needed for the job. In most cases, the installer will have an idea of what equipment will be required in each room. A commercial electrical installation can vary in terms of complexity. Choosing a commercial electrical installation company that can handle the project properly is essential to the success of the property. A quality electrical installer will be familiar with the building's electrical code and will be able to make recommendations based on this information. A quality contractor will be able to provide the services that you need without compromising the quality of the work. These experts should be well trained and experienced in the field of commercial electrical installation.